In this video, you will learn how to quickly organize photos into a clean grid layout automatically. As you can see, we have 16 random photos. Open Photoshop. Go to File, Automate, Contract Sheet 2. A dialog box will open. Now select Files. Then click on the Browse button. Select all your images and click OK. Set your document size 15 inch by 15 inch. Uncheck Flatten all layers. Now set the layout 4 columns and 4 rows. Also uncheck Use file name as caption. Now click OK. Wait a few seconds. And there you go. All your images are perfectly arranged into a clean grid automatically. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more Photoshop tutorial.